Good morning.
How do you do?
Okay.
Can you give me some of the
Hey!
What you mean by that?
But yesterday I saw
You did what?
I saw the truck you brought to the house. I mean the lady you brought to the house.
Oh. I'm laughing when you trust me.
Boss,
Hey.
I saw you brought a lady inside and you're saying nothing happened.
You repeated yourself again. Stunna. Kidding. Yeah, it's true. She's a commercial sex worker.
Eh? Boss, so they are showing.
Don't call me boss. Talk.
What they are showing you before? I didn't say.
You see, my papa or pressure me for semen for bambra. And I wouldn't be mad drum do my before. You know I'm very, very busy for my work in your mind. Listen to me. The last time lady, princess, she did me papa cry at him. And in my pet situation, I said, Bibi Msabe by Sabe and Sembe. That's when I'm for Riaba.
Into which is a show in
Listen to me. Many times, I'm gonna agree to me, say yes. She will do it. And trust me. And you, dear, you see, I'm just trying to share this with you because you know you're my everything. Why should that? Would anything here would see conversation? If we see pressure, do see customer name or because we say at me 8 million your baby or to say me now a woman, you know, and whatever.
I said empathy so they are showing you.
Timmy, and no cross empathy, sir. But maybe say me you be my dad who say I'm serious to do this.
Inti. Oh, Jane saying, Obe Warren, say, just the whole kind of, because me still I'm not convinced.
Well, I don't know this girl from anywhere. I just picked her up from the street.
And you brought her to your house?
Yes. So I said, I don't know what to do again. That is always on my neck, just yelling to my ears. I beg you. This between us, and I know, sir, I'm achieving what I want.
You want to involve me in it?
Yes. See, once from day one, you know, do you know my missy dummy far? Do you have not seen me taking you to your sister? Or they kind of cry. Why not you made I allow to say on she send the more I bought you an iPhone. Mister, just help me to do this. I beg of you. Trust me, I just want us to achieve this because I'm tired of daddy. I beg you.
You made all your own people.
No. Lord is my witness. Man for me one canoe.
Hey!
I swear heaven. Listen to me. Listen. Obai. The catching some that form. No, so that form. May explain it be a channel. No, say fine. I know what would myself with him so be. Listen, we have ways and means to kill a cat. So I say, Menena Kasamana Timase. And I think, sir, with you, we can make it. Okay?
Me, I'm not in support too, so because you are my boss.
I'm your brother. No. I'm your brother. Okay? So, cheer up. Give me this.
Hey. Thank you. Who is she?
Daddy, how is it? Daddy. I brought you here this evening to surprise you.
Surprise me?
Yeah.
With what?
My wife to be.
Your wife to be?
Awurama. Awurama. That's my dad.
Hello, Daddy. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Yes, all right.
Go ahead. So what next?
Daddy, she's the woman of my life right now, and I really, really love her. Trust me. We have been talking for the past 1 month, and I told her she should come and stay with me so that I can introduce her to you.
But you should have told me that you found someone. You just can't allow her to be here and then ask me to come, and then in any case, it's okay. It's okay. She looks good, so it's okay.
Oh, boy.
All right. Lady, what's your name?
Awurama.
Awurama.
Yes.
Sounds familiar. Anyway, where are you from?
I'm from Tanoso.
Okay, Daddy, excuse me, I'll have to excuse you guys because I'm sweating.
Oh, okay.
Thank you very much.
Hey. From Tanoso?
Yeah.
I see. Are your parents living around or
Yeah.
in Tanoso?
Yes.
Okay. I see. Where do you stay?
I stay at what's the name? That's Tafo.
So you can't call it to memory where you stay. You just have to fumble
I
before
kind of
telling
forgot
me.
about it. Sorry.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Awurama. My son claims he is in a relationship with you.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Oh.
Yeah, they've been together for about a year now. Just that he wasn't that serious about me, so I thought of, let him go, and then he just popped up like boom, calling and
I see.
checking up on me, so we're cool now.
I'm cool with that. I've been pestering his life to settle down with a woman.
Whoa.
And he's been doggy or dodgy somehow. And lo and behold, he's found someone who is okay for him.
Well, then I guess you're the reason why he've changed.
Exactly. Yeah. Anyway, I'm praying that you become someone who will be a helpmeet seriously for him, because
Definitely I will.
good. And I'm trusting you'll be a good cook to cook him some serious meals.
I won't brag, but I really, really, truly know how to cook.
Oh, are you sure?
So you think that's a good idea?
Trust me. My daddy reactions in the first time they responded to this lady. I think everything will be okay. Listen to me. Nothing is going to happen. See what that is happening.
Don't be quiet.
Yeah, my DJ Nkatikonto.
Nkatikonto.
Oh yeah, and or they say mankani fufu aya posim.
And kotodwe.
Oh,
Pentia. No, that's all.
Hey, oh, fine. Yes,
na beef
kakra. Na unim pa me pay. Oh, son. Okay, Dad. Your wife is a lovely chap. Oh, yeah. Approved. Yeah.
Oh, hello,
wow. Do I think when you say of ya?
Oh, yeah.
What if you crap? Wow.
Dear.
Oh, why are they? Me who about me, Jin, and they say, ha, Sadia.
What's a major in Mamma?
So, what's a man? Yes, I dare say, was a penny musa, because you could take him, sir.
Please.
And my to you.
Now, can
you say? To you now, where's a crossing I ship you? Ah, with the crossing, you know, oh, me high.
Pass. Hey. Oh, my head.
I get crossing the Libya. We're different.
Oh, where the Libya? Where the Libya? My name's so penny, just so. Kafra, a soul.
Where dear? I told the same many.
Yeah.
I made the cell bar, Sabio, Pie Basabasana, why would you and you fear? You can't near my boom, can't go in your sister, we now alcohol, something like you can cry.
Yeah,
oh, a tear, maybe more fascinating, Unipano.
I know, but I agree.
Would they give me more fire, more Henry Pavia? Mina may what fashion Unipano.
Me, so fascinating, but at least don't some major many now, but I know by I know I was saying,
to say, baby to say,
yes,
I say, yes, I
should be yes, maybe.
Well, no, it's a minia, dear. You never come and carry away across the Libya. When you're there, no. Yeah, pocket phone. Oh, yeah, pocket phone. Say, Crassy, a bus and a boy talk. I said to be called a Crassy.
Oh,
Pocket phone on the Dahona and man, and man, digital make
that's how shall we fit.
Oh, when it is.
Help me out. What I say.
I had him better on you.
To shame. At least the entertaining house.
Miss me, be a man here. Yes, be a say. But what did James and ask us all the time and remember who I'm at Matu? It's him, tea.
Master, Mamma, when you got Master. Also, she was so.
She will. I showed you. I didn't know we. Yes, I'm tea. Both fashion but almost be a message.
Baby and Nisa.
Both fashion but to make us a message.
Oh,
Minna. Ah, there will be a set out. Bibiana. Ah, young one, there be 90 minutes. What do you mean?
Minimum, but at least stay a journey.
Ah, any job, any j. Ah? There be a morning pizza. I know where I want to give you. Bonnie, I rock a canny. When you tell what the matter is, Jenny do Jamo. Over Bema.
Make my coffin.
And I'll go family do for Sonia from Naboco. And you feel so uncomfortable. Oh. Would you any arrest you and them fire and money may say you are so your work fast. But at least over to me, I want to be big. Be dear.
I'm not doing. Yeah, dear. When you first say,
oh,
yeah, my way tips, as I know, feeling.
I am a crisis is here.
Yeah, it's an understand. Let's make you win out for us. Okay, we had a show. What to shake a car. Come to Brazil and come on. Oh, there be someone. No, it's anything. Yes, anything. Sanity.
Now, more Ovi. When if you. Would you? I did, that's one will be one. No, sorry. Second, you brother. I saw Janice. And suddenly, yes, Paki Janet and Pen. Yes, as a carcass, and your pen from a that's Yanni. What I see. No story like your man is will be a people in the way, Michiano. Oh, crab as well. No, as a minimum, once. More Confrontation. Say to us, only and will be as we pocket phone. Yes, I pocket for me there. Oh, yeah, say, so when you walk here, more feeling good. Yeah, bit is always a we say is can or the buy, and I young with set off as the cat. Oh, yeah, I don't know, is the kind of big to be. Ah, quite very hey, we are going wrong. Huh? Yeah, we had no video. From one, Mude practical cameras is here. Part as I'm for. I am a meme. What practical cameras is here? We have no videos by 400. Yet, Jim Gakanga. Eh, Daddy, which